how to turn off screen time on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. It is a very simple process. All you have to do is go to settings, and in settings you can see a tab readily available which is called screen time. And screen time is basically a monitoring system which monitors how much screen time you are spending on specific apps. It is a really nice thing in my opinion. It gives you a good understanding on what and how you're doing things, but it can also lead to privacy issues, which is why you might need it to turn it off. And over here at the bottom of the screen time tab, you can see the turn off screen time option. Well, that's exactly what you want to press on, and once you do that, your activities will no longer be recorded and your privacy will be enhanced by this. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.